Hi guys, welcome to tutorial Race, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install OpenCart into your local machine. So in my case I'm going to download this OpenCart and install into my local machine in Windows machine. If you are using Macintosh or Mac machine, then you won't have also problem in installing that one. The process of installing either in Windows or Mac or Linux is almost same. So I'm going to further display you, showing you how you can install your OpenCart into your local machine. First, we will download its software from internet. So open the google.com and type here OpenCart download. You can see here the official website of this OpenCart. So just click on this, or you can also click on the below link. So just you can click here free download, and then you can click here and then the downloading will start. One thing I'd like to point out here that if you are having problem in downloading in Chrome browser, then you should try this Firefox, because in my case, in my other student case also, I was having problem in Chrome browser. It was taking too much time to download, so the better is to use this Firefox. You can download it with speed. So now click on OK, and it's downloading. Once the download is complete, then right click on this and click on Open Containing Folder, so that it will take you directly to the folder where it has downloaded. So this is the file which has been downloaded from internet. Now I am just cutting in and pasting somewhere else. So I pasted here inside my XAMPP folder, and inside that htdocs folder. Remember, to install and run this OpenCart, you need to install XAMPP software. So I expect that you have already installed this XAMPP software so that you can run on this. If you have not installed this XAMPP software, then I recommend you, and strongly I recommend you, that you download XAMPP software and install into your local machine first. So once you download, then go to this XAMPP folder and then start XAMPP control panel, and from here you need to start Apache web server as well as MySQL server. So I've already started this. In case you have not started, then you can click here start and start. Then if it turns green, that means Apache as well as MySQL is running perfectly. So now let's go to htdocs folder and then OpenCart folder. Inside that I have kept this zip file. Now I will extract it here. So let's extract the file. And then okay, now it's extracted. Now what I'll do, select all, then Control X or cut. Then I will paste inside here so that directly I can access this folder. So now all the files are inside OpenCart folder. Now let's go to here and open phpMyAdmin. So type here localhost and then /phpMyAdmin to create database. Click on database and then create a database here, blank database here. In my case, I'm creating here OpenCart. You can provide any name you like. Now click on create. Now it's created, and then what I'll do, localhost, and then OpenCart. Remember, this name is exactly the same one which we have created here inside a history.htdocs folder. So actually, this is the folder name which we are typing in the browser. Here, localhost and then OpenCart. Now click on this upload. Now the installation wizard has started. So this is the first step of fourth installation path. Now click on continue. Once you are here, you will get at least two such errors. So in my case, all the errors, all the requirements, these are the requirements which have met in my machine. In case you have any such problem, then you can check and fix first. And in my case, there are two files which needs to be writable, or these files are not available. So these files are actually available, but the name are different. So we need to go to here. Let's go to this file and then folder, and inside upload folder, here you can see config.dist. So rename it to just config. And similarly, you go to admin folder, and here to config, just rename it to config.php. Now it's fine. Now let's try it again. Refresh it. And then you can see the problem is fixed here. Now click on continue. Here you need to provide the database details. In my case, since it's a local machine, that's why we are providing here localhost. In most of the cases, even in the server, this host name is normally most of the cases localhost, so you won't have to change. And then since it's my local machine, that's why the username of my SQL database is root, so leave it as it is. And the password is blank. And then we have to provide here the name of the database. So if you remember, we had created this database here, OpenCart. Now provide the name of OpenCart here. This is the port number, so leave it as it is. And also this is the prefix. That means each table will have its prefix OC underscore this. So if you don't want to give any prefix, then simply you can select this one. Now this is the admin user and password. So in my case, I'm giving admin and admin at admin.com. Remember here, you shouldn't give this so easy password. Since it's a local machine, for a learning purpose, I'm showing you. That's why for this tutorial purpose, I'm providing this password as an admin. But in a real time, you don't provide this simple password. You should provide a complex password, which is not easy to guess. And here too, you have to provide the real email. So in case you forget the password, then if you try to recover the password, in that case, you can recover if your email ID is genuine, if your email ID is not the fake. So click here to continue. There is something wrong. Invalid email. OpenCart.com. I have to provide here. Now the installation process is going on. Okay, the installation is complete. Now it asks us to delete the installation directory. So where it is, you can check here inside the folder. Here you can see this installation directory. So now Control Shift and then delete. Now let's go to here again. Press it. Sorry. Now there no actually we have already deleted this installation folder. That is why we don't need to keep it, and we won't be able to access it. So now just delete this one, and this is our front section of the website. So, oh, now it's fine. So this is the front section of our store. Now, if you want to access the admin, then right here, type here admin, and then admin and admin here. Now click on login, and then we are inside this admin section. So now here it is asking me, there is a storage directory actually where session and other things are stored. So it is asking us if we want this admin wants the system to move this directory to where. So here are some of the paths it is showing where we want to move this storage folder. So where it is actually. Okay, so now let's go to here, and then I'll select here history docs OpenCart. So inside OpenCart, I'd like to create this folder and also move. So click on here, and you can see now here inside the OpenCart folder, this is. So inside this, there is download, logs file, notification, session, upload, vendors, and cache, etc., which is for storage purpose. Okay, so now let's go to admin once again, and now just click this. So you see the admin interface, and our installation is complete now. So this is the admin section and the front section. So this is the front section of our website. So in the next video, we will cover the dashboard section, the admin section. So stay connected and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.